Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a lightning effect very easy and quick. For example, I want my lightning to hit on the ground right here. Go to tracker and click on track motion. I will move track point right there where lightning should hit. In my case this white thing is fine to track. Make tracker a bit bigger and then click on options. Make sure RGB is selected and then toggle on adapt feature on every frame, and this one set to stop tracking. Stop tracking is cool thing. For example, you track your video and then suddenly tracker has moved. This won't continue tracking, it will stop there and you will be able to correct your tracker and continue tracking again. So this will make your tracking more accurate. And make sure if confidence is set to 90% and then click on OK. Now click on track forward button and wait until it's done. Once it's finished, create a new null object. I will cut this null and match it to my video's length. Now click on edit target and make sure to select a null we have created. Now click on apply and make sure apply dimensions are set to X and Y and then hit OK. Let's drag and drop our lightning footage now. Check the description to download this lightning for free. Link it to null now and enable 3D on it. Now simply position it where you want lightning to hit. I have moved it right where the tracker is and the lightning hits right there and don't move anywhere. Lastly, let's add sound and shake effects and we are done. I will skip shakes part cause I have already made a tutorial on them. Check this video's description. Also I have made 16 unique shakes that you can get from the link in description. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.